for practical is determination of crude fat using Soxhlet apparatus. Here are the containers we are going to use. Before doing the experiment, this container should be very well clean, oven dry, let it down cool, then use for the experiment. First of all, you have to label the container like this and take the empty container weight and take it down the weight of the container, empty container. Now you are going to measure the sample weight. In here you are going to use the filter paper. Place it and there. And now you are going to take the required sample weight. In here you are going to use the moisture remove sample. Take out from the balance. Then you have to fold this filter paper like this. And name your sample. Then you are going to place your sample in this thimble. Here is the Soxhlet apparatus. You are going to set these thimbles into this apparatus. You can place this like this. Now we are going to measure petroleum meter into these containers. This petroleum meter is very volatile, so you have to follow this procedure as soon as possible. The amount of petroleum meter we are going to use depends on the type of the sample we are using. You are going to place these containers in the Soxhlet. Make sure you are following this procedure as soon as possible because petroleum meter is volatile. Then you have to set the machine. You have to set this machine like this. Then you have to set the Soxhlet like this. Then open the cap and switch on the Soxhlet. Following, depending on your sample, you have to set the temperature and the time required. Now you have set the machine. Then you have to switch on the apparatus. Before you are switching on the apparatus, make sure that you are connecting this apparatus to the continuous water supply. After switching on, you are going to on this apparatus. Then from here you can set the required time and the temperature. Now the process has already done. Now we are going to take out these samples from this unit. Actually, this is fine. This is a Soxhlet apparatus. This is a improved version of Soxhlet apparatus, but the principle is the same. Now you are going to take out the sample and place it in a desiccator. Now you are going to place these containers in the oven, in a preheated oven. In here, we are placing this in the oven in order to evaporate the excess petroleum meter. The temperature and the time period, it is depend on your type of sample. Normally the time period is around 30 minutes, but the temperature you are going to use, it is depend on your sample type. Now after your time period, you are going to take out this sample from the oven and keep it in a desiccator in order to cool it. Then after cooling the container, you are going to take the weight again. That is the final weight you are going to get. Here you have the symbol. First of all, we are going to remove this and take out your sample, fat removed sample. You have to keep this fat removed sample very carefully in a desiccator because you are going to use this sample for the estimation of the crude fiber.